In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write above a line in Google Docs. Whether you're looking to master more complex formatting tools or you're just curious about how to achieve this, you're in the right place. In just a few minutes, you'll be fully equipped with this nifty trick, so let's dive in. To kick things off, we need to open up our web browser and head over to Google Docs. You can do this by typing Google Docs into your preferred search engine and selecting the relevant result. Now, if you haven't already, log in with your Google account. Having access to this account is crucial because it stores your progress, changes, and documents securely in the cloud, allowing you to access them from any device. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted with the main Google Docs page. Here, you can either create a new document or open an existing one. If you plan to experiment with formatting, using a new or temporary document can be helpful, ensuring you keep your primary documents neat and tidy. With your document open, you'll want to locate the top navigation menu. Find and click on Insert to reveal a drop-down list of options. Here, we'll be using the Equation tool. Hover over it and click to select. This action tells the program that we're about to input a mathematical or otherwise formatted text. After selecting Equation, you'll notice that a blue text box appears on your document. This box is Google Docs' way of displaying that it's ready for special formatting. In the box, type overline and then hit the spacebar. The backslash followed by overline is a specific code that Google Docs recognizes as a command to create a line over an element, which is a common requirement in mathematical notation. Once you've entered /overline and pressed space, you can type whatever text you'd like to appear above the line. The document will automatically format it so that the line appears right on top of your entered text. This method is particularly useful for when you need elements in your document to stand out or follow a specific style guideline. Lastly, after entering your text, simply click outside the equation box. By doing this, you finalize the text and ensure that your formatting is applied accurately. If you need to make any changes or corrections, you can always click back on the text to edit it. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to write above a line in Google Docs. Remember, picking up small tricks like this can significantly streamline your document editing process, make your work stand out, and even make certain formatting tasks much easier. Thanks for watching today, and be sure to check back for more helpful Google Docs tips.